Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sadhvi and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily transform a day look into a night look without using a lot of products. So first I'm going to start with my base routine, but I've already done a video on that and I'm going to leave the video link in the description box so you can check it out. And also I'm going to mention all the product details in the description box so you can check it out if you want to. Now before getting started with the base routine, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do my day look, and I've already done a lot of videos on my base routine and I'm going to link the videos in the description box so you can check it out if you want to. And I'm going to keep this day look very minimal and very simple. And one more thing, as I want my makeup to last longer, like till the evening, so I'm not going to skip on a primer. It's must to use a primer if you're looking for a long lasting makeup. So I'm done with my base. I just need to set it with a loose powder. So I'm going to use a translucent powder. Make sure you use a very small amount of it because you don't want to cake up, and gently apply it on your entire face. And you can even use a compact for this. So I don't want this day look to turn matte, but at the same time I want my makeup to last longer. That's the reason I'm going with a very small amount of this translucent powder. Now we're gonna work on the eye. So as we are keeping this look natural, but at the same time we're keeping it dewy, so I like to use a cream eyeshadow on my entire eyelid. For this look, I'm going to use this shadow crayon from Sugar Cosmetics. Alright, so now I'm going to finish up the eyelids. You can make it look more dewy or shimmery, but not sparkly or glittery for the daytime. You're making it look like your eyes have more shine to them. So now I'm going to use a cheek shimmer on my entire eyelid for a more dewy feel. So as you can see that my eyes look too flat, it needs contouring. So now I'm going to contour my eyelids. So I'm going to start from the corner and work it outwards, which extends the eye a bit, and then create a little bit of a crease which adds like more depth to it. I'm done contouring my one eye and you can see that it adds so much of dimension to the eyes. Alright guys, so this is the day look. You can see this look is so minimal on makeup and it looks so dewy. I really like this day look. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to transform this day look into a night look. So you just need to like vamp it up a little bit. So the first step is to use a compact powder. So I'm going to use two shades of compact powder, a lighter shade and a darker shade. So I'm going to apply the lighter shade underneath my eyes for a very fresh look, and I'm going to apply the darker shade on the outer part of my face to get that nice bronzy effect on my face. So first I'm going to apply a lighter shade and I'm going in with a mixture of these two colors, and with a very light hand I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes. So if you feel that your concealer has worn off, then you can definitely go in with your concealer once again. And now I'm going to apply the lighter shade on my T-zone as well. Now why I'm applying a darker shade on the outer perimeter of face is because if you're going out at night, so there might be a dim lighting or there might be like a low lighting situation, so bronzing will make your face come up. Now with this same brush, I'm slightly gonna go over my nose. Make sure there's not a lot of product on the brush, otherwise there will be harsh lines on the nose. So with a very light hand, I'm going over my nose. So now we are done bronzing up our face, and now I'm just going to add some color on my cheeks. So I'm going to use this beautiful mixture of rose and berry on my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to enhance my eyes a little bit. If you feel that your crease color has faded off, so you can just go in with your bronzer and go along the crease line once again. So I'm just going to show you. So this will add a lot more depth and dimension to the eye. So now to enhance my eyes a little bit more, I'm going in with a black eyeshadow, or you can even go in with a black eyeliner. If you like winged eyeliner, then you can go for a winged eyeliner. So I like my eyeliner sometimes to be smudged and like really soft eyeliner. So I'm going in with a black eyeshadow first. So I'm going to take this on my angular brush. I'm going to apply it really close to my lash line. Now I'm just going to soften it up a little bit. So you can see adding a black eyeliner instantly gives that oomph and it kind of defines the eye. Alright, so now we're done with the eyes. I'm just going to apply some mascara and I'm going to keep it more concentrated towards the corner of the eyes. Now lastly, I'm just going to apply some nice lip color. So first I'm going to remove my existing lipstick. Okay, so as we are doing this look for a night time, I'm going to go for a nice strong lip. So I'm going to apply this and I'm going to make it look like a stain. So I'm dabbing it with my fingers because I want it to look like a stain. Alright guys, so this is the final look and this is my take on the day to night transformation, and I hope you guys find this helpful. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video.